Yes, my people. So this is cherry, Canadian cherry. Yeah, man, we have a good season this year, guys. Last year was not a good season, but this year it's gonna be a good season, my people. As you can see, they're young at the moment, but there's a lot of cherry on the tree this time around, my people. Man, lots of cherry, guys. I can just show you guys from tree to tree. And you can see cherry, lots of cherry, my people. Yeah, man. This year farmer make money. Yeah, man, farmer can make money this year because the more cherry, the more work, the longer, the more hours. So yes, my people. And this is one of the field. And this is not the biggest field, you know, guys, but as you can see it's a good little field. You can see the road part the field. So you have one side over there, one side over there. So, and this is not the biggest field, like me say. And you see, just imagine, it's a lot of cherry, guys. And I can tell you this cherry, this is Centennial. Yeah, man, this is Centennial cherry. And this side now, this is Sweetheart. This is Sweetheart cherry. I get you guys and walk through the field. Yeah, man, cherry for days. Cherry for days, my people. Cherry. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, welcome back. We are here, another year, better year. Here we are gonna make some money, guys. So yeah, my people, I have to cover my nose because fresh in Canada, you know, spend some time away from Canada, different climate, my people. And from the moment I touch on the plane, guys, and it's just not me alone, guys. Majority of us as workers from touch on the plane, guys, the AC and stuff will come, we go to the hotel, the AC did turn up too much, so it affects us, guys. You know, so we are inhale cold, and the whole most of us as workers, the whole from here, so just hurt with my people. So I just cover my nose so I don't inhale no more cold, because you know Canada is a cold country. Early morning, but as soon as it reach like 9 o'clock, especially this time around the summer, when it reach like 9 o'clock, the sun out, the place get hot, very hot. Yeah, man. So there, as soon as I just showing you through what it look like before the cherry reach the reaping stage, my people. You see lots of cherry on the tree this year around. Yeah, man. So we as farmer, we're gonna make enough money. The guys who pick the cherry in the orchard, them are gonna make money. We who do the packing in the packing house, we are gonna make lots of money. Reason being, we can get for work some 10-12 hours daily. Yes, my people. And we can start work earlier and in the morning and stop work later. So it's a good look for us as farmer and my people. Yeah, man. So for all those who planning on coming to Canada for work and the program, I tell you, prepare feet. Yeah, I know someone will come up in July, some will come September. Because most people are come for 6 weeks, just come do the cherry. Because some farmers, they only do cherry, they do not do apples. So cherry run for 6 weeks. But me I tell you, just make the best use of it. And some man come to do cherry. From them get the first paycheck, them now want to work again. Remember, it's just for 6 weeks, guys. So you have to just work as much as you can, so you can bring back something home. Yeah, man. But like me, you know, I'm a seasoned worker. I'm coming here for like 11 years, guys. So, well, my boss, he had cherry and he has apples. My boss have a big packing house, 2 big packing house, a cherry packing house and an apple packing house. So what happened? He grade cherry, he grade fruits for lots of grower, lots of farmer. So especially in the apple time, to me, I go stay up until December, and me is a all rounder. I do everything. I work in the orchard, I work in the packing. Yeah, cause remember the aim is to make money, bring back home for the family. Yes, my people. So and the next thing, when picking the cherry, always remember the boss do not need the cherry stemless. So you cannot pick the cherry like from here. No. This no price on this cherry. So this is the right way to pick the cherry. Hold it from the stem here. Look. You see it? You hold it and you pull it. So you need the cherry to be like this with stem. This is the right way to pick the cherry. Some workers, they want to pick a lot, and this is how they do it. They just draw it like this. So you find out, say, you go find the cherry is actually green now, but when it's ripe, you go easy get it stemless. Because they hold the cherry by them hold it by the fruit. You're gonna hold it by the stem. You cannot hold it like this. See it? You're gonna come stemless. So you hold it like this, you hold the whole bunch and you go like this and you pick it. So quick and fast, you pick a lot of cherry. You see? Yeah, man, quick and fast. You full up the little basket. You see it? Yeah, man, so that is the right way to pick the cherry. So me I show you from now, so you need to watch and learn. Because in 3 weeks time, you guys will be here picking the cherry. So please remember, we do not, no, the boss, the employer do not need no stemless cherry. So you need to hold the cherry by the stem and just flip it, just a flip. Don't pull it, it's not easy to pull. You just hold it and flip it. Flip, 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 flip. Quick and fast, you full the basket. The stemless cherry, they are priceless, useless. A little money on it, but not much. And you're gonna get penalized. The boss will penalize you if you keep on continue picking a stemless cherry. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you're looking at me, people. Man. Not the biggest field, but still, it's a big orchard. See? I can see clearly, you know, my people. I pay cherry that you don't see, you know. Cherry for days, man. See it? It's a big orchard, man. You see it? Yeah, man, cherry. Yeah, man, cherry for days, my people. So yes, my people, like that in our say look, so you know, say in 3 weeks time before we start big cherry, so we're gonna move over to apple tinning, you know. Yeah, man, we are going to peel the apple shortly, so you couldn't see whole happenings and things, people. So once you stick and stay tuned and full dry life. God is the greatest.